Oslo. It is now 3:30 in the morning. I'm up, car is all packed, and I'm on my way to Gaz's. We're flying out to Oslo today to do some filming. It's mega early, but thankfully I have coffee, can travel.
The road ahead, it twists and turns, and the sun beats down and it burns, but I keep on pushing through.
The first part of the journey's over. Now to Gatwick. And Gaz is here.
I'm here! Hi!
Right.
I'm on the search to find it. I may insist, but I'll overcome. 'Cause I'm an optimist. It keeps me coming back. When you call me, is it gonna go? I hear it running through my blood. If I'm feeling it, then I don't stand a chance.
So after being on the road since 3 o'clock this morning, we have now finally arrived in Oslo. So it's taken 2 car trips, 2 plane trips, and a lot of toilet stops. So it's morning of day 2. We're here in Oslo. You can see it's a bright, beautiful day. We're about to head out and get the train from the airport down into the city. So it's been a really busy morning already. We've already been out and about all down around Oslo visiting some of the previous locations of Intertanker, and now we're currently out in Oslo shooting some GVs. We're just down by the port. You see some of the nice ships and galleons that are here. Yeah, just getting some general shots. We're shooting on a C200 and the 1DX Mark II, and of course little pocket Osmo as well.